What advice would you give yourself if you were 20 years younger than me? Have you really given any thought to where you'll be financially in 5, 10 or even 20 years' time? Are you just assuming that things will continue to improve for you as you move forward through life, or do you share the concerns of many who are worried about where the money is going to come from in the future? The truth is that there is a way to help solve this potential problem, and the Learn More link under this video will guide you on what to do. The fact is that only a small amount of the population ever achieve what I call financial independence, that time in life when we're working because we want to, not because we have to. Today, most people are in a situation where they consistently spend what they earn every month, irrespective of how little or how much they're paid. This is part of the problem that many people start to realise when they get older. For me, it was only fairly recently that I started to consider my financial future in a way that I hadn't really thought about before. I believe I would be described as successful in having the ability to earn an income, but it's the gap between what we earn and what we spend that is far more important. Wouldn't you agree? I remember listening to an audiobook of Jim Rohn's where he talks about the day that changed his life and describes the 70-10-10-10 principle. And it woke me up to considering that if I want to be financially secure, I needed to take action, and I needed to do it now. The way that I overcame the challenge of turning my life around was to focus on increasing my income without necessarily reducing my expenditure. I enjoy a comfortable life, but it became increasingly important to me that whilst I was still young enough, I needed to find a way to dramatically increase my income if I was ever going to reach a point in life that I don't have to worry if I'm going to have enough money to continue to live the life I want. If only I had heard this message 20 years ago, I would have been in a completely different place by now, and maybe it's this message that you need to hear so that you can take action now and not leave it until later in life. It's how I dramatically increase my income that I'd like to share with you now, so that you too can design a better future life for yourself and to start doing it before you get to my age. The truth is, the longer you leave it, the more challenging it becomes. Or look at it another way, the sooner you take action, the sooner you can achieve financial security. Just imagine waking up in the morning one day knowing that you don't have to worry about money anymore. So if this resonates with you, if you too would like to increase your income and start living a better life with the freedom to work how, where and when you want to, can I encourage you to click on the Learn More link below this video, which offers you a free video workshop helping you decide what you can do to make a change, to do something different, so that you can get on the road to improving your financial future and not leave it until perhaps it's too late. So go ahead, click on the Learn More link below and explore if you too could make a change to the way that you work, take control of your life and generate for yourself the income that you both need and deserve.